Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a planner haul, an actual planner haul. Because I've been showing you, my stickers, my washi, planner accessories, but this time it's an actual planner haul with not one, not two, not three, but 4 planners. Yep, you heard that right. 4. There's absolutely no chills in this house. There's absolutely no... what am I doing? I don't know, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna show you all of these goodies. So let's get to it. So the first order I want to show is the Moterm B6 that I've got. So this one I bought it back in March, I think beginning of March, and it's now the 26th of June. That's how long it took to get to me because of all of the pandemic and all of that. So it took really long time, but it's here and we'll see how it looks. So it comes on this it came on this poor little box that got really dented on the way, as you can see. But the nice thing is it comes with the name of the company, and that is not something you see with items coming from China or from the shops from AliExpress. So I did open it because I was afraid that the planner was going to be damaged, but it wasn't. So it comes on this with this little pouch or dust cover pouch, and this is the planner. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. So it is a little bit dented here. I don't know if you can see because of manhandling. But once you open it, you have the silver button here. And it comes with this protective thing that didn't protect it very well. But I think that with use, this will go away. Oh, sorry about the cat. Oh, bunny. Come on. No. Sorry about that. So it comes with this, it came with this protective foam, whatever this is. The cats will love it. And it's a snap closure. It has this big pocket here on the side. This is for nostalgia, and I bought it for nostalgia. I have no idea what they call, what would be the exact size that they put on the website for a ring planner. I know that they have ring planners, but honestly, I don't know what an A7 is. I think it's a pocket, and yeah, so I have no idea. So I didn't buy any ring planners from them. I really wanted an A6 rings, but we'll get to that in a minute. So it comes with 2 strings and a little detail with leather here at the end. It comes with a bunch of pockets here on the front and another pocket here on the side, and then a bigger pocket here. It also has this humongous pocket on the back and more pockets. Another pocket, another pocket, and a little secretarial pocket here, as well as your loop for your pen. So this is a B6. I really want to try Nostalgia next year, so we'll see how that goes. But now I have a pink cover for it because pink. And that is my Moterm B6 Nostalgia planner cover. So that was my first purchase. And I'm really happy with it. It took forever, so if you're planning on buying from them, just be advised that it will take a while to get to you. Don't freak out. You might need to ask for an extension on the buyer's protection service that AliExpress offers, but if you do that, they're really good with it. They really extend it, especially during this time, and that's what they did for me, and it arrived here safely, so yay. So as I was saying, I wanted an A6 rings because I want to try the A6 in a ring. I had my second planner was an A6 TN, and I loved it. I really did. and one of my favorite spreads was on that A6. So I decided to try the A6 rings because I'm on a ring mood. So I ordered a print Pression. Yes. So it comes in this beautiful dusty bag, and it's really nice. I don't remember this coming before in previous occasions. I think he had a different dust bag, but this planner I got with a discount. I think it was either 25 or 15 US dollars. He was having a huge sale, so I took advantage of that. And it's in this beautiful color, gray color. So I have the same exact planner on a Hobonichi size. This is a Fobonichi. I use it as an everyday carrier, pretty much just jot down notes. It's an absolute mess. I'll show you how messy it is. It's kind of like this. Let's not look at the details. So it's really, really messy. Sometimes I put washi on it, but yeah, it's the same color. So I decided, well, I like the color, it doesn't bother me. And I thought this might be good for me to do as an everyday carrier. Now, before all of these planners, I had purchased from AliExpress brownish color planner, and it was working wonders for me. I had just, you know, plain paper inside, and I would just write down lists, like lists and tick boxes, and it was beautiful for like 2 weeks. And then one of my cats had an accident on top of my bed, and on the hurry to, you know, get the covers out and get the duvet cover out to not get any stains in the bed and anything like that. My husband, yeah, because I sleep with the covers next to me. And my husband that day was sleeping on the other room because he had to go to work really early, and he didn't want to wake me. So he was helping me, you know, get all of the covers out and all of that. And he accidentally washed my planner with the covers of the bed. We can definitely say that there was no way of saving the planner, like absolutely not. It was dead. So that worked too well for 2 weeks. So that's why I wanted another A6. So I bought a really cheap one from AliExpress because I wanted to try the size and try something more simple for my everyday life. Excuse me. And it didn't work. Well, it did work. The bigger planner and the, you know, a lot of stickers and all that wasn't working at the time for me. My mind was really busy, so I needed something more simple. And I got that planner, and it was working so beautifully for 2 weeks, and then my planner got destroyed. So then I thought, oh well, I'm gonna need something else, right? So I got this one from Kane from Print Pression because he was having a sale. I'm like, oh yes, pretty. And I wanted the pink one, or some sort of more neutral color, so I got the gray. It has a crisscross pocket here on the side, a card slot here, and 2 pockets here on the side, and it's with silver rings. I believe these are 25mm rings, which for the purpose of my planner it will be okay. But if I was actually using this as an everyday planner, like my only planner, I would change this for a 30mm ring, because 25 is definitely not enough for me. I like too much stuff on my planner to go with just a 25. But it's a beautiful planner. It matches my everyday carrier, so matchy matchy, that's awesome. Now, while I was waiting for this one, I'm like, oh, I'm bored. Oh, no judgments, please. Judgment-free zone. I decided to reach out to our Estelle and see if she had anything, you know, in stock that could be an oops sale, because her planners are expensive. And I ended up with two. Oh my god, what have I done? Look, no regrets. No regrets whatsoever. I know that they are planners that I'm going to use, and I know that they are planners that I'm going to be comfortable with, and I love her planners. I know the planner shop, so like just like I know Pression, it wasn't, oh, I want to try this just in case. I know the quality of the planner, and I know that I can beat that planner up, you know, on my purse, and it will be fine. These ones, I'm not going to beat them up. But I really I just wanted it. So yeah, it wasn't cheap. No, it wasn't. But you know what? I'm okay with that. So it comes on this beautiful black box. I mean, this box is just perfection. It's a magnetic opening, and this is one of them. So look, the universe has a wild design that includes you. That is just beautiful. Oh, that's so sweet. Anyway, this is the first one. So it comes on this white dust bag with the Estelle logo here at the end. And, excuse me. So this is the first color. And you're gonna laugh. I know you are. No, I don't want to show this first. Hang on. I want to show this one. Because you're gonna laugh at me, because yeah. Did I mention that I was bored? I think I did, right? Good. This is the planner, and oh my god, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. This is called Elephant Whisper. This is the color Elephant Whisper. It's on an A6 size. It's in scarlet, and this was an oops. If you ask me where the oops is, I have no idea. She did send some photos of the oops, and I'm just like, girl, you're crazy. It comes with this little protection thing. It's an adjustable strap, so if you need to grow your planner, you can. And it has a little pocket here, another pocket here, and you can see here they marked as an oops. This is the oops mark. 2 pockets on the side, the strings, your cross rings. Again, I believe these are 25 millimeters. I don't know, but they're really tight. And you have another 2 pockets here. Big pocket, and the card slots on the side. Yeah, so it is a more neutral color, so they're both neutral. This is more a blue, gray, green, grayish. This is more of a taupe, brownish, grayish. Let me take off this light here to see. Yeah, it's very elephant color. So yeah, it's more of a brownish tone on the, with the grayish is more of a brownish hue to it. And while I was talking to her and saying, hey, I want to buy this one, but before I do purchase, do you have anything like a shadow boxer, which is another color? Do you have a shadow boxer? Maybe that's an oops. I know that it says it's sold out, but maybe you have something there, you know. I don't mind how much oops it is. It's just to throw in my bag. Don't ask that kind of question, guys. Don't, because you'll be convinced to buy 2 planners when you just wanted 1, and you end up with 4. So she said she did have one, and oh my goodness, this is barely an oops. It still has the little stickers here, This is the Shadow Boxer. It's another color. It's just a black beauty. It's, look, it still has the cardboard. The rings still have the protective film. If you ask me what kind of oops this is, I wouldn't be able to tell you at all. I really don't know. And I got this with, I think it was 5% discount. But it has all of the pockets, same configuration, and wow, it's just gorgeous. And it's so nice. The leather is so, I just want to, oh, it smells divine. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it really smells good. Sorry, that's so weird. But yeah, I got 4 planners. What can you do? And I'm thinking on setting up this one or the print Pression or that one. I have choices now. I'm thinking of setting it up as a very cutesy theme. So I'm thinking the Coffee Monsters Code cards, you know, the little cards that come with your order, and acetate from Happy Scrappy or vellum from Happy Scrappy, and all of the cutesy character things in that I have. Sparkly paper code die cards. I have like a box set aside for the setup already with all of the goodies that I want. And I want I want this, you know, cutesy girly setup, and I want it to be in gray and pink tones to match the black, so the cover will be black and you open it up and you get this beautiful, I don't know, cloth and paper pink divider that I got, maybe it's on the way, and you get this pink divider, and then you have the cutesy Coffee Monsters Co. emoji card, and yeah, that's gonna be awesome. And the pocket full of Sparkly Paper Co. cute characters. Yep, I have a whole plan for this. I do. So I think the black is gonna be the one that I'm gonna use for now until I get tired of black. And then I'll move on to the Elephant Whisper, which is so beautiful. It's so pretty. I'm really impressed with that color. It's such a powerful tone. It would be great for fall. Of course, fall is just gone here. We're in winter now. But I think I'm gonna be really happy with using that for fall next year, or maybe, I don't know, whenever I feel like. It's not like I change my covers for specific times of the year. I really don't. I do change my spreads, but not my covers. Maybe I should, because I have so many. One day, when my craft room is done, I'll show you guys my planner collection. It is of a decent size. Let's just leave it at that. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this short little rambly planner haul of actual planners. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much. Love your lottles. Bye.